it's Beshoy here from BeshoyMiX. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new beast, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's start. First thing you probably realize is the new packaging size. Compared to the iPhone 11 Pro, it's a way thinner box, as you can see. And we will see why later in this video. This year Apple released 4 models: iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. This comes in 4 different colors: silver, gold, graphite, and the brand new Pacific blue. There are 3 options for storage: 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. What I have right here is iPhone 12 Pro Max, Pacific blue color, and 512 gigabytes for the storage. So let's open. Here we are. Let's unbox. Ooh, guys, I'm really excited. Ooh. Oh my god. Let's keep the phone aside for now and let's check what's in the box. Here we have a USB-C to Lightning cable. There is no charging brick, and that's the reason why the box is really thin. And lastly, we have paperwork, SIM ejecting tool, and of course the Apple sticker. The camera over here looks really nice. It's a 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras. The battery of this beast is 3684 milliamp. It's also splash, water, and dust resistant. Now let's talk about the design. As we can see, Apple changed their strategy from the curved size and went back to the iPhone 5 design, as you can see over here. Honestly, it's a great design. The rectangular design gives it a good grip, and it also feels good in the hand. Now let's talk about the screen. Ooh. It looks really amazing. It's a really big screen, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. You can watch movies, play video games. It's really big. Now let's take a closer look at the phone. Here we have the power button. On the top there is nothing. On the left side we have the silent switch, volume up, volume down, and the SIM tray. Going to the bottom, we have the power socket, mic and speaker. And that's it for the unboxing. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, please support me by hitting that like button and subscribe. Don't forget, Corona is still here, so please stay safe. BeshoyMiX.